A supreme, a good and a cold rising from down here in the south. Apparently, people who like the winter season are psychopaths. Psychopath opinion. But I mean, forgetting the stoners, Dumelang Weekend Bake Gang, 420 Gang, Stoners United, Togoza Gogo Gang, Queer Healers, Queer Gang, Queer Unconscious, Knowledge Seekers, Light Workers, Emakosini, Lenakabukhoshingi, the Kangs, the Queens, the Hotep that actually reads, the Woke Gang, the Knowledge Seekers, the Light Workers, Witch Talk, Witches of Instagram, Spellmakers, Green Gang, Green Witches, those who are oppressed by the Witchcraft Acts, but Balapi, the healers by Alapi. This is your season, so Dumelang Lona, spiritual gangsters. I hope I can bala obega jeku. But spiritual gangsters, Dumelang, Tobela, Towazani, Emakosini, Dua Sekhmet-Bast, Dua Mo Alafihad, Dua Mlapigazi. So somebody asked the Zulu word for it, right? And I think I said in the clip, right? The Nguni word for it, but umlapi kazi. So kazi, it's usually used the feminine, right? Because in Africa, contrary to popular belief, we actually revered our women more than what we are seeing right now, right? We recognize what actually your first god. If you have a mother, your first god is your mother, right? So the ma element, even in the creation story, the ma is the supreme one. Okay, so thank you for tuning in as well. Thank you for the questions. Thank you for the corrections. Thank you for the advices. And so I just want us to go more into this energy house in Rona, right? Because I'm also discovering a lot of moments, right? Remember yesterday I mentioned the red skirt, lehofehla, and how now transitioning from anpu rekena lefehlo rafehla now, right? And so I read today hageta mpahlo. So the litany, the hymns. So these are, as much as we say it's spiritual, but because there's rituals and repetitions and affirmations. So I will also explain one of the good days, because I don't wanna no hate here, it's love up in here. But why some people say prayer works, right? We'll unpack the workings of it, but it does work, but we'll explain why. Okay, so let's go to part 2. Okay.